a little something just in case I get hungry, because I'm always hungry. Just in case. You know, a little something just like boost your energy up really quick. What's up, guys? It's Baby Ariel, and I am going to spill it. So I brought this purse today. It's funny, I didn't even mean to like match with it. I think it's sophisticated, which I hope I am sometimes. Also, really fun, which I think I am too. So, it's like me in a bag. Me. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of nervous. The first thing I have in here is my Voss water. So, I feel pretty important with that in there. Voss water. I have oranges. Not oranges, I have orange peels. My go-to snack is either an orange or a protein bar because they're very easy, very portable. Okay, deodorant. Just in case, you never know. You never know. Oh my gosh, okay. This is my palette. It's Becca, and I carry this with me every single day. Dude, this is like so messy. Okay, whatever. And lip gloss. Ariel Martin cannot leave the house unless I have lip gloss on. My garage door opener. Sometimes, like if it's just like me and my phone, I'll just have this. People are like, what is wrong with you? Ooh, this is one of my favorite things. This is my film camera. I take this everywhere. Sunglasses. Gum. My favorite thing in the world. I am the worst coffee drinker. Okay, so this is the last thing in my purse. Okay, so I have this problem. I get like nervous in like social situations sometimes, like every human does. And so I do this thing where I pick my cuticles, and they're terrible, and I hope you cannot see them. So what I do is I have this cream that I put on my cuticles, and then I put a Band-Aid. It's so stupid. But I'm trying to prevent myself. Is there anything else in here? More gel. That's it. That's my bag. Thank you so much for watching Refinery29. For more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.